So today is a bittersweet day. Welcome back to another Tech Junkie video. In just a few minutes when Jess gets here, we're going to be taking these two vehicles over to Crown Dodge of Fayetteville and trading them in for one vehicle. Now I'm not going to tell you what exactly I'm trading these vehicles in for, but let's just say we're on to bigger and better things. I love that car and I love that truck, but I'm going to love what I'm picking up even more. It's just time. I've only had these vehicles for about 6 months, but an opportunity came that I couldn't pass up. So we have to say goodbye to the car. We have to say goodbye to the truck. The truck was my daily driver for the last 6-7 months. I do love it. It's a 2020 Ram 1500 Bighorn Night Edition, 12-inch nav, can't complain. Then I've got the Charger 392 Daytona. I absolutely love how sinister and mean this car looks. This Charger was meant to be my daily driver until we picked up Negan, and then the truck became my daily driver. I do love this car. I didn't get to drive it as much as I wanted. I only put about 3,000 miles on it in the 6 or 8 months that I had it. I do love it. It's granite pearl coat is the color. It's a deep gray. I love how Dodge manages to put stock wheels on their cars that you just want to leave. These wheels look great. The truck wheels look great too. I like when I don't have to put aftermarket wheels on my cars. I like the stock look. I don't like a lot of the aftermarket wheels that you see on a lot of cars, so I like that I didn't have to change much about these cars. I was going to wrap the hood black and get rid of this Hemi badge, but I never got around to it. Now someone else can either take that task on or leave it as is. It still looks good that way, but I like the completely blacked out hood, matte black. These two vehicles will be for sale at Crown Dodge of Fayetteville in the next week or so. This is where we're taking them over to trade them in. So if you're interested, check out Crown Dodge of Fayetteville in Fayetteville, North Carolina. We're also going to be selling the 2017 Jaguar XE. This was Jess's car for about a year. She ended up with the F-Pace, and I kept the Jaguar. I was going to drive it a little bit too, but I rarely ever get around to driving it. It is a nice little car, 4-cylinder but fast, all leather. It's a lot of fun to drive, but it's a smaller car. You can fit 4 people comfortably, but anything more than that, you're just overdoing it. It is a ton of fun to drive, and it looks great. All leather, fully loaded, fantastic sound system. It's just a nice car all the way around. Jaguar really knows what they're doing when they're making these vehicles. We didn't have any issues with it, but Jess upgraded to the F-Pace, and so we don't need this one anymore. It's just sitting around. I originally kept it to drive it, but I rarely ever drive it. I cranked it for the first time the other day in about 3 months. So now we're going to be selling this one. We got it priced at 20 grand. Kelly Blue Book on it is more than 20 grand, but I'm just selling it to get rid of it. So we're here. We're pulling in the Crown Dodge of Fayetteville. Got something special in store. Can't wait to show you guys what it is. You have to stay tuned for the next video. This is going to be it for the Daytona. Got some paperwork to sign on the new vehicle. It's just saying farewell for the Daytona. And that's about it. That's a wrap. Stay tuned for the next video and we'll unveil what we purchased here today. Hit that like button. If you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do so if you want. Hit that bell. That way you get notified when the next video goes live. But we're going to unveil what we purchased here today in the next video. So stay tuned.